Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You know, in the demanding industrial environments we have all across the kingdom, whether it's the oil fields in the eastern province or the critical infrastructure in our cities, every single component matters. Today, we're going to talk about one of those critical parts, and more importantly, the local support system that makes sure it never, ever lets you down.
And this is the reality, isn't it? For any of us, any manager or engineer, failure isn't just a little problem. No, it's a huge domino effect. It hits your safety, your production, your bottom line. It's the one thing we all work around the clock to prevent.
So, to stop that kind of failure, you need parts that are engineered for absolute certainty. And today, we're zeroing in on one such component, a piece of equipment that was specifically designed for the toughest jobs out there, the Oliver B10F Ball Valve.
Okay, so what is this thing really? Well, to put it simply, this valve is your guarantee of a perfect seal. It's a high-integrity valve made in the UK, and it's built to give you a zero-leakage, bubble-tight shutoff in systems where the pressure and the heat are just off the charts.
Now, these specs, they're not just a bunch of numbers on a page. They're promises. A pressure rating of 10,000 psi? That means this valve is ready for the most intense wellhead and hydraulic jobs you can throw at it. And the 316 stainless steel body with full NACE compliance, that tells you it's built to handle the tough, sour service environments that we see so often right here in the kingdom.
So, here's what really matters. What these features do for you. Extreme performance? That gives you a huge margin of safety. NACE compliance? That protects your people and your assets from corrosion. And that bubble-tight shutoff? Well, that's just peace of mind. It's knowing for sure that your isolation point is 100% secure.
Okay, so we have an absolutely exceptional component here. But the part itself, that's only half the story. The real challenge, and where the real cost comes from, is when things go wrong out in the field.
Just think about your own site for a second. Whether you're running a production line, a drilling operation, or keeping the lights on in a hospital. What's the actual cost when one small but critical part breaks down?
It's immediate, and it's bad. Your entire operation can just stop. Safety is suddenly at risk, and every single minute of downtime turns into expensive, incredibly frustrating delays. In that moment, waiting for a part to be shipped from some supplier overseas, that's not a solution. And that is where we are different.
Taib. So you can buy this part from anyone. Yani, the product is available from suppliers all over the world, but you buy the complete solution and long-term peace of mind from us, right here in the kingdom.
Our advantage is really built on 5 key pillars. It all starts with being a trusted, certified partner. We give you genuine, top-quality products at competitive prices, because we know true value is more than just the price tag. But most importantly, we back it all up with KSI-wide delivery, a full turnkey service, and lifetime local support.
First things first, we meet the highest standards, period. Being an Aramco-approved supplier and having our ISO certification isn't just a logo we put on our website. No, it's a guarantee to you that our processes, our products, and our people have been put to the test and meet the toughest standards for quality and safety.
Next up, logistics. We understand the reality of operating here in Saudi Arabia. We keep local inventory ready to go for rapid deployment. It doesn't matter if your project is in Dammam, Jubail, Riyadh, Jeddah, or some remote site, our network is designed to get you what you need right when you need it. And this right here, this is the core of our value. We don't just drop off a box and send an invoice. Our promise is a complete turnkey service. We make sure this critical component works perfectly from day one and for its entire life. So this is what sets us apart. Our expert engineers don't just leave the valve at your door. We install it. We configure it for your specific system. We handle the full commissioning to verify it's performing exactly as it should, and our partnership doesn't stop there. We are your local KSA team for after-sales service, for maintenance, and for expert repairs. So when you start thinking about where to get your critical components, the question isn't just about a part number anymore. It's about partnership, it's about reliability, and it's about having local expertise you can count on. This is really the choice we're offering you. You can go out and simply buy a valve, or you can invest in the operational certainty that comes from a complete solution, a world-class product, backed by a dedicated, local, and Aramco-approved partner. The solution is actually very simple. Get the proven performance of the Oliver B10F Ball Valve, but get it with the unbeatable advantage of our local engineering, our installation, and our lifetime support.
Shukran, we are right here in the kingdom, and we are ready to support you. Please contact our team for a technical consultation and let us show you how we can help your operations succeed.